In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and share templates in Canva. By the end, you'll feel confident opening a template, customizing every part of it and sharing it as a template link so others can make their own copy without changing your original design. Let's begin with editing. Access the template by clicking a template link you've been given or by selecting one from the Canva template library. If you are using a shared link, make sure to click Use Template for new design. That step saves a personal copy to your account, so you are working on your own version from the start. Once the template is open, everything you see is customizable. For text, simply double-click any text box to edit the words. From the toolbar, you can change the font to match your style, adjust the size for hierarchy, and update the color to fit your brand or project. Small tweaks like these make a big difference in readability and visual consistency. For images, head to the Uploads tab on the left. Then drag and drop your own photos directly over the existing images to replace them instantly. This is a quick way to keep the layout you like while bringing in your content. If your photo lands in a frame, it will snap in automatically, which helps maintain the overall design structure. For colors and graphics, click any element you want to adjust. You can enter a specific hex code to match brand colors exactly, or choose from the color panel. To swap graphics, open the Elements tab and search for icons, shapes, or illustrations that better fit your theme. Replacing elements while keeping spacing and alignment similar helps preserve the template's professional look. As you work, Canva saves changes automatically. That means you don't have to worry about losing progress. Edits are preserved as you go, so you can experiment freely. Now let's share your design as a template. This creates a special link that gives others their own editable copy and keeps your original file untouched. Open your design and click the Share button in the top right corner. On desktop, look for the template link option. If you don't see it right away, click More and search for it. When you find it, click Create Template Link. Canva will generate the link for you. Choose Copy. Then share it wherever you like via email, on social media, or even embedded in a PDF. Recipients can click the link and immediately start customizing their own copy. That's it. Thanks for watching.